My name is Courtney Barham. I work in DeKalb area along with 3 other team members. I've been at JCB now for 9 years. My experience in the military brought me along in here because without that, I would not have known finishing my task on time, doing it safely, and be able to get along with other people. JCB has recognized me a whole lot of times over the years. I've gotten numerous awards. I've gotten cash bonuses. I've gotten handshakes from the president who came to find me. The area has grown a lot and it seems to be getting better as it go along. You can find a lot of restaurants and stuff like that, seafood, you can find it anywhere. I love it. I love to stay here and finish it out because it's getting better each year, my experience. The management, they're giving us classes, how to build what we're working with, and they're more hands-on communication with you and all. And I just see it's getting better.